friends, welcome to Sahana's Study Table, where you can become a genius. This is the place where we all study together. This week, also, we will study about the human body, so stay tuned. This week, specifically, we'll learn about the nervous system. The nervous system can be broadly divided into two sections: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system, which is known as the CNS, consists of the brain and the spinal cord. It is in the CNS that all of the analysis of information takes place. The peripheral nervous system, which is known as the PNS, consists of the neurons and parts of neurons found outside of the CNS, which includes sensory neurons and motor neurons. Sensory neurons bring signals into the CNS, and motor neurons carry signals out of the CNS. The brain and spinal cord are in the CNS, but other than that, the nerves are in the PNS. For example, the median nerve and the radial nerve, and many more. Number 1 for the quiz. What is the scientific study of the nervous system called? A. Nervous science. B. Mains. C. Brain study. D. Neuroscience. Have you learned this before? Okay, good. I'll tell you the answer. The answer is neuroscience. Neuroscience is the scientific study of the nervous system and its functions. Number 2. The nervous system is made up of the blank. A. Kidney, brain, heart, and the lungs. B. Brain, nerves, spinal cord. C. Heart, brain, spinal cord. D. Brain and the spinal cord. Try to recall the diagram we saw earlier. What was the nervous system diagram made up of? Yeah, it was made up of the brain, nerves, and the spinal cord. 3. What are the 3 types of neurons? A. Sensory, motor, and interneurons. B. Sensory 1, Sensory 2, Sensory 3 neurons. C. Rods, cones, and cubes. D. Axons, dendrites, and dendrons. Just take a guess for this one. The 3 types of neurons are sensory, motor, and interneurons. Basically, there are 3 types of neurons: sensory, motor, and interneurons. Which neuron gives the information to the CNS? A. All of below. B. Sensory. C. Interneurons. D. Motor. I don't remember which one it is. Just take 10 seconds for this one. The answer is sensory neuron. A sensory nerve, also called an afferent nerve, is a nerve that carries sensory information toward the CNS. Number 5. Which neuron gives command to the muscles? A. All of below. B. Sensory. C. Interneurons. D. Motor. This is the 3rd video I'm going to guess from what we learned. So, my guess for this one is motor neurons. Am I right? Woohoo! I finally got it right! Motor neurons are responsible for transmitting signals from the spinal cord to the muscles, enabling muscle contraction. 6. Which neuron connects one to another in the CNS? A. All of below. B. Sensory. C. Interneurons. D. Motor. Woo, for this one, I know the answer. It's C, interneurons. Interneurons create neural circuits enabling communication between sensory or motor neurons and the CNS. 7. Each neuron contains a cell body, which is called A, soma, B, dendrites and axons, C, dirty and tory, D, dendrites and deeds. I can't think of the answer. Do you know it? Oh yeah, I totally forgot. It's soma. The cell body, also called the soma, is the spherical part of the neuron that contains the nucleus. The cell body connects to the dendrites, which bring information to the neuron, and the axon, which sends information to other neurons. Number 8. Which type of fiber carries information toward the cell body? A, dendrites, B, infofiber, C, saliva, D, axons. There are 2 types of fibers, dendrites and axons. But which one carries information toward the cell body? Yeah, there was a clue in the previous question. Do you know it? Answer, come out. It's dendrites. Number 9. Which cell is providing support for the neurons? A, red blood cells, B, spinal cord, C, glial, D, Beller. I have studied this, but what is the answer? Well, yeah, I know the answer. It is glial. Glia, also called glial cells or neuroglia, or are non-neuronal cells in the CNS and the PNS. They maintain homeostasis from myelin and provide support and protection for neurons. Number 10. Which type of glial is in the PNS? A, oligodendrocytes, B, Schwann, C, astrocytes, D, microglia. Oh my, I have no clue. Just think for 10 seconds. Well, or no. Let's just go to the answer. B, Schwann. PNS has Schwann cells and nerves. Thank you. To encourage me, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications on my videos.